Going on YouTube? Just doing a simple video here to show you a quick install of upgrading your visor lights from LED. So here is the LED upgrade, and here's the old yucky yellow lights. There's LED. I'm trying to get both. You can see nice LED and then the yellow. So I'm gonna get into it real quick and show you how quick. This is probably 5 to 10 minute upgrade mod custom. Some people might say, oh, why do I want to do this? Well, I just like to customize whatever I can in my vehicles. Quick, simple, cheap, and I'll get into it and show you guys how easy it is. Usually I use these on glasses, on these small tip flathead screwdrivers. We're just gonna get right in there and pop that out. Right back. Alright, so once you get the plastic coverings off, you just see it's got two little on each side. And you can see the old light bulb in there. And we're gonna replace it with this LED one. I believe these were like TS. I'll put in the description what the old and what the new is, and basically just come in here and they just pop out like that. Got one. Again with that same small screwdriver. And two. Pop right out. And then you get these. When you put it in, you got two little clips right here, so the metal just goes in each clip. Push it in. And then repeat on the other side. And then there you go. And let me flick my lights real quick. So you see that one came on and that didn't. So I'm kind of glad that happened. So just have to pop it out, flip it over, and now you got that one. Sorry guys, probably bright as all can be. And then you just pop the coverings back on. So you got the two, the inner ones are closer in, go on the inside, the wider ones on the outside. And boom, simple as that. So now you got the bright LEDs on both visors. Again, simple, quick, custom upgrade. I think I paid maybe $5 to $10, if that, for all four of these. Comes a set of 4. I'll put the link in the description. But guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to do some more of these quick, simple upgrades for now until I get into the bigger performance upgrades. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.